everyone, welcome to Global Online University. This video is very important for all the NET aspirants. We are going to talk about the official notice that has just been released by NTA. So if you want to see that notice, you will have to type on Google. Just go and type UGC NET. Okay, students? The first link that you will get here is the official website of UGCNet, which is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. So you will have to click over here, and then this page will open. Left hand side gives you the current events, and right hand side gives you the news and the events. So here you can see this new word written over here, which means that this notice has just been uploaded by NTA. So the students click over here, a new tab will open with the notice. So this notice has been issued on 27th of October, which is today, and it is regarding the examination for UGC NET December and June 2021 cycle. So as you all know, the last year December paper and June paper, they did not happen. So a consolidated paper was supposed to happen, and the dates were kept on. They were getting postponed again and again. So this is the notice which is saying that the dates have been released, and this is the final dates. As per this notice, it is the final date, and it is saying the examination is going to start from 20th of November, which is next month, and in November it will start from 20 till 30th, and in December it will be from 1st to 5th. Okay. The detail sheet will be provided by the website, and we will definitely update you as and when we get the detailed sheets. So this is a very important, and I would suggest it is a very positive notice, because the students have been eager to know the dates, and they want that the exam should get over, because the students who have been studying, it is a very good opportunity to see where they stand in the examination, and the students who have not very much prepared, they can target the next examination. So here at Global Online University, we always update you with all the information regarding UGC NET, and this notice tells you the final date. I'll tell it again. You have less than 1 month, students. uh, the paper which will be on 20th. So since today is 22nd of October, you have less than 30 days for the 20th November examination. Okay. And those students who are struggling with UGC NET, as you all know that UGC NET is one of the toughest exams in our country. It stands in one of the toughest top 10 examination. So here at Global Online University, we always help you with UGC NET. I have very good news for paper students who are preparing their paper 2 in geography, economics, commerce, social work, law, English, or management. If you have any of these subjects as paper 2 students, so we have complete notes, theory notes on this subjects with MCQs. These are notes with MCQ, students. And if you want to access these notes, you can contact this number, and the fees is very minimum, it's just 999. These notes contains all the topics of the paper 2. Complete theory part will be covered through these notes, and if you study them, you can get very high marks in paper 2. And we have complete course on paper as well. We have 60 full syllabus tests, which comprises of your 3000 MCQs, and these includes your previous year's papers, current affairs in both English as well, and in Hindi, and complete notes, which is also in bilingual. It's in Hindi and in English, and you also have video lectures. So all this is available at the Global Online University app, which you can download from Play Store, and here you can select UGC NET category. Also, we have a paid WhatsApp group, students. Those who want to access all this material on WhatsApp, this is the number that you can contact, and you can join our WhatsApp group. Another information is we have a complete question bank for paper 1 with 2000 plus MCQs. So students who want to study all this information through just one single PDF, they want to prepare, we have a 2000 plus MCQs question bank, which includes your most important or most expected questions, along with PYQs and with latest current affairs. All If you study, students, this complete PDF, if you study, I assure you 70 plus marks in your paper 1 itself. So if you want to get access to this PDF, you can contact this number, this WhatsApp number, and the fees is just 499. So students, I hope you are preparing well. Now you have less than a month, make the most out of it. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding the examination, just write it down in the comment section and we'll be happy to help you. All the best. Just make most out of this time, and I hope all of you, those who are watching this video, you clear and you qualify UGC net. So all the best from my side and the channel. See you all in the next video. Bye.